Oh no! Captain Grin took our letter B.
Hi, friends.
Today we need to create the super protector of letter B. Come on, quickly!
We take our green turtle mode, press it. But wait, what is she missing to be strong? That's right, her shell. Everybody shout now. Shell power, shell power, shell power. Great job, kids. Look how awesome she looks now. All right, little turtle, go bring back our letter. Shh. Whisper quiet. Captain Grin is sleeping. Don't wake him up. Let's sneak up slowly. Hey, turtle, watch out, Captain Green. Wake up.
Oh, I heard something. Huh, just snoring. Back to sleep, yak yak.
Hop. We got the letter. Quick, quick. Run, turtle, run.
Hey, who took my letter B? I'm so angry.
Look, here comes our hero turtle. Thank you, turtle. You saved letter B. Let's put it safely with letter A in our treasure chest. And remember, friends, don't tell Captain Grin. Next time, letter C has a special surprise. Stay tuned to Toys Toons.